How to reactivate your Instagram account after you deactivate it. Hello everybody, my name is Shmiti Awasthi here to guide you through the way. So let's dive into the video. So let me say you that if you have deactivated your Instagram account, then you cannot reactivate it again with your Instagram application. But do you know how you can deactivate it? To know, watch this video. So first of all, open your Instagram app. After you open, on the down right side, you will see your profile. When you tap on your profile, you will see an interface like this. And now on the top right side, you will see 3 vertical lines. And when you tap on that 3 vertical lines, many options will pop up on your screen. Among these options, just scroll down up until you see the option of help. Tap on the help option. So here you see the option of help center. When you tap on this, you will see there is a search bar on there, and you can simply tap for delete account or deactivate account, follow the information and deactivate your account. But when you want to reactivate your account, go on your Google Chrome and then open Instagram from your Google Chrome and try to log in with your email and password. After logging into your Instagram account from Google Chrome by using your email, you can simply go on Instagram application as well and use your email and then use your password and then log in. If you forgot your password, then you can simply send a code to your email as well. So this is how you do it. Make sure go on the Google Chrome and type your email and then try to log in. This will really help you. Try it and say if it works or not. So this is how you can do it. If you like the video, thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. For more video suggestions, just suggest on the comment section. Thank you for watching the video.